Saraswati Sishukunj Bagwala Borsad, English Medium. Today we are here for the tree plantation activity.
Children, as we know, monsoon is the right time for the tree plantation. In this season, roots of the plants as well seeds can stuck easily, can fix easily in the soil. Okay, earth can absorb the moisture and as well it is suitable for plantation. As we know, in the present scenario, the effect of many bacteria and virus causing disease like chikungunya, dengue, COVID-19. Okay, so children, if we want to keep away ourselves from the doctor or medicine, we should grow some medicinal plant at our home. We can grow this plant at our home and we can use it and we can keep away ourselves from the doctor. So today we are going to grow first some medicinal plant like tulsi, mint, pudina, carom seed, it means ajwa, coriander, neem tree, etc. These plants have many characteristics and they can keep away from the many disease. Okay, so let's start. Monsoon is the right time for the tree plantation. Okay, and in this time the roots of the plant can easily stuck in the soil. So let's start the tree plantation. Here we will grow some medicinal plant. Here is tulsi. Okay, we will grow some medicinal plant. It is useful to us in many ways. As we know, this is the time of COVID-19. So these medicinal plants are useful at your home. You can increase your immunity using these medicinal plant. Okay. Some plant you can grow that seed also, and some you can plant that sapling. Here is a sapling of tulsi. So what will you do to grow the tulsi? First dug a pit and then put the plant of tulsi, then add some water. You cannot directly pour, you can sprinkle the water on the plant. Here is pudina, mint. It can also grow easily in your surrounding. Okay, you can grow this plant at your home also. You can grow this plant in pot also. If you are growing plant, then you have to stick this root inside the soil.
Hello and good morning students. Now students, says we are doing plantation here. This is a plant of aloe vera, and you can also know that aloe vera is a medicinal plant and it is very useful in our to build our and increase our immunity. As the students know that this is a period of COVID-19, so the juice of this aloe vera plant you can also take as to build your immunity. So here we will plant aloe vera. This is how you have to do it. You have to sprinkle some water. can plant this type of medicinal herbs.
Children, some plants we can grow directly, plant like tulsi and pudina. We can grow the plant also, as well in tulsi we can grow the seed also. Here we have coriander seeds. You can see here coriander seeds. Okay, so coriander is useful to us in many ways. It can helpful in the digestion, and also it can cure many more diseases. We can grow coriander seeds like this way. You can grow in your garden as well in the pot. Okay, first spread the seeds of the coriander, and then put some soil, cover it with soil. Children, here you can see the seeds of fenugreek. It means methi. Okay, that also you can grow at your home, and it is also useful to us in many ways. Okay, and it can grow within the 20 or 30 days. So let's start. You have to spread the seeds in the soil. Okay, like this way. Then cover it lightly with the soil. Then sprinkle the water on that, but not too much. Okay. Don't pour water directly like this way. Okay, you have to sprinkle it. Now grow this kind of medicinal plant at your home, and you have to send the pictures to your class teacher.
Now students, you can see here these are the seeds of bottle gourd, and you can also grow this bottle gourd by just you have to sprinkle the seeds. You don't have to dig too deep, just you have to sprinkle it. If you have space at your home, then you have to take some soil. You also have to just sprinkle on it. And these seeds of bottle gourd is called a climber, and you just have to sprinkle some water. You don't have to sprinkle too much with your hand. You can also sprinkle it like this. And within 15 to 20 days, this climber plant, you can see with your eyes that it will grow. This is how you can grow seeds of bottle gourd plant.
Carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere due to the uses of more vehicles and industries. Okay children, so these we can reduce by growing the trees. Trees clean the air, and it reduces the proportion of carbon dioxide in the air. And time between June to September is most appropriate for growing the tree. So everyone should grow a plant to contribute their effort in the nature. Okay.
Okay. So as ma'am said that June to September is a best appropriate season. Why? So it is a rainy season, right? And during that season, your roots will be accepted properly from the soil, right? And your plant will be grow proper. It is going to get more water. Now here you can see Harsha sir has dig a deep pit inside the soil because it is a neem tree. Now for herbs and shrubs you require less space. For tree you require more space. Now here we have a plant which is up to 1 feet, we can say it is already grown, right? And here its roots are there. Sasikant sir is holding it. Now we will keep this plant inside the pit, and we will cover that soil, right? now it is a neem plant. It is, it has many beneficial. It gives so much benefit to our environment. It brings rain, right? It has many uses like a medicine. If you ask your grandparents, right, your grandmother and your grandfather, so they are eating leaves of the neem plant, right? If it is not standing properly, if you have a stick, you just you just keep that stick with it so it can stand properly, right? And don't let the soil get dry. It should be wet during the all time, right? Okay, so this is how we can keep your environment safe, healthy, right? Hope you will do this activity at your home, right? And just find a space, just go near to the nature, right? Thank you.